August 20th, 2024 here at the Dark Lofts. I still got birds in the sky. But I'm gonna try to forget these guys up. Whoa, that guy came diving now. Get this. Coming behind. One more time, one more time. I even got Marshall up the last one, so see walking beyond it. Oh, that was one that I come on, fly, fly, fly. Ah, not everybody, but I got some more in the sky. Sadie! There we go. Some birds on the loft. Oh, now I clipped the... Okay, I got birds in the sky. I got birds in the sky. That's all I can do. That's it. Real tight window for training. Get this guy. Boom. Boom. I think we got Scarface up in the sky again. Because Houdini is down by the loft. No, Scarface is down too. Okay. Oh, that was on Pied. Look at that. Had some drift off. Look at that. Boom. That one thing. I was thinking about that tree. I see a couple over here yet. One in the tree right over there. Boom. Nice, nice. Oh, one more. So this about. That one's just flying real good. Look at that. Real nice, real nice. Real nice. Nice getting used to taking aerials again. It's been a while. And these guys here, they're kind of like all over the place. There we go. Boom, right on the cage. Like I said, once we cut that out on the cage for next season, right now we're just gonna do what we're gonna do. We're not gonna interrupt this training. Like I said, next week we gotta take them on the road. Like that one, bird in the tree. Bird in the tree. Get that, wonderful, wonderful. Let's see, I don't see nobody in the sky. See a good bunch of birds back. Not sure if any birds drifted out. But let's see. I'm gonna do one last push up right here. And we go see. So, the Dark Lofts, Big Island of Hawaii.